Hey everybody! In this quick video tutorial, I'm just going to show you exactly how to access the chemistry equation option that's available in your HTML Editor toolbar in D2L. So whenever you have a quiz or an assignment that requires you to type out a balanced chemical equation, including states of matter where you need to include subscripts and arrows to show which way the reaction's going, you do need to use this chemistry option that's available in the HTML Editor toolbar. So in this specific example, I made a little assignment and we've got chemical reactions activity. So basically I just recorded a little lab and there are some questions that go along with this lab that require you to type out the balanced chemical equations. So in order to do this in D2L, I'm just going to zoom in here so you can see my screen. And to access that chemistry equation option, we're going to go ahead and look at our text box here. So notice how there's only a few options listed at the top for like font, for attaching files, and for the format. But when you click on those three dots right there in the top right corner of the text box, a bunch of other options will pop up. So from here, you're going to go to that sigma symbol. This sigma symbol shows us that's math equations or graphical equations can be used. We want to change that to chemistry equation. So you're just going to click on the drop-down menu and click on chemistry equation. And what's going to happen is this screen will pop up right here, and you'll be able to insert your chemical equation. So for instance, if we're looking at the electrolysis of H2O or the decomposition of H2O, I'll just go ahead and type H2O. Now notice that that too needs to be a subscript, right? So you can either do it one of two ways. You could go ahead and highlight it and then select the subscript option there. Or as you're typing it out, you can go ahead, select the subscript option, type in the 2, and then you're going to hit the arrow key that goes to the right on your keyboard. So once you hit that arrow key, it will bring you back up to a capital letter. So H2O decomposes. We need an arrow, so we're going to go ahead and click on this arrow. Decomposes into H2 and O2. Now remember, these are also gases, so we're going to go ahead and type in our gases, and as you can probably assume, I'm going to go ahead and highlight these and just make them subscripts. It's a little bit more efficient if you type the whole thing out and then make the subscripts, make them into subscripts afterwards. So H2O at the beginning was a liquid. We'll go ahead and subscript that. And now we just need to go ahead and balance this equation. We need a 2 in front of this, and we'll also need a 2 in front of that. So there's our balanced chemical equation of the decomposition of water. Now, if you wanted to get even fancier, because water requires electricity and it's a form of energy, you could use this arrow, and there is some energy indication that goes along with that arrow. But it's okay, you can simply just use a standard arrow. So that is how you access the equation, the chemistry equation option on the HTML Editor toolbar in D2L.